Surya Namaskar, Sun Salutation B from the Ashtanga lineage. Begin in Samastiti, with your big toes touching, a slight space between your ankles. Palms are facing in, shoulders drawn down, and draw up through the crown of your head. Inhale, draw your arms up, palms together, bring your gaze to look at your thumbs, knees are bent. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, step your right foot forward, Virabhadrasana 1. Bring your gaze to look at your thumbs, palms together. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, step your left foot forward, Virabhadrasana 1. Exhale, bringing your hands down to frame your foot, Chaturanga Dandasana, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathing here for 5 breaths. Bring your gaze to look towards your navel. Draw your shoulder blades down your back. Continue to draw back from your hip crease, maintaining length in your spine. On your inhale, jump forward. Lift and lengthen. Exhale, folding in. Uttanasana, forward fold. Guide yourself back up into chair pose, palms together, gaze at your thumbs, and exhale, release. Inhale, draw your arms up, palms pressing together, knees connected. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Step your right foot forward, Virabhadrasana 1. Palms together, gaze at your thumbs. Exhale, frame your foot, step back, Chaturanga Dandasana, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, step your left foot forward. Bring again your gaze to look at your thumbs. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana, upward facing dog on the inhale, and exhale back to your downward facing dog. Remaining here for 5 breaths. On your inhale, jump forward. Lift and lengthen. Exhale, folding in. Inhale, bend your knees. Keep your knees connected. Draw your arms up. Gaze towards your thumbs. And exhale, release. Last one. Inhale, draw your arms up. Exhale, folding in. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Step your right foot to your right hand. Ensure your back foot's at a 45-degree angle. Draw your arms up. Exhale, frame your front foot. Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Stepping now your left foot forward. Draw your arms up. Gaze at your thumbs. Exhale, frame your front foot. Chaturanga Dandasana. Upward facing dog. And exhale back to your downward facing dog. 5 breaths. Stay connected to the breath. Let yourself hear the sound of your own breath. On your next inhale, jump forward. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, folding in. Bend your knees, draw your arms up, palms together, gaze at your thumbs, and exhale, release. Returning to Samastiti. Namaste.